Hi guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. In today's video, we'll be testing few of the popular cleaning hacks which are there everywhere on social media. And we'll see which of these actually work, as these could be really useful to us all in our day-to-day lives for keeping our homes clean. The first hack claims that you can clean your tarnished silverware which has turned black like this glass here in no time using baking soda and aluminium foil. For this, you have to boil about 1 liter of water. When the water starts boiling, then you have to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda or cooking soda to it. Remember, this is baking soda, not baking powder. Then you take a small sheet of aluminium foil, crunch it into a ball like this and just drop it into the boiling water. Next, you have to drop your silverware in the pot and let it stay in the water for at least 10 seconds, or you can keep it for longer if your silverware is very tarnished, like I am keeping it here for 30 seconds. And now let's take out the glass to see if it has worked or not. And it definitely has worked, as you can see a major difference between the part which was dipped in water and the part which was not. And because my glass is still somewhat black, so I'll drop it completely in the water for some more time. And now as you can see, it is completely clean and looks new from outside as well as inside. So according to me, this hack works. Our second hack talks about cleaning utensils which have got burnt and as a result turned black, which is especially very commonly seen on the back side of stainless steel cooking utensils. So this hack claims that you can clean such difficult to clean burnt utensils with the help of salt and vinegar. This is the regular white vinegar that we use for cooking. So for this, sprinkle some salt generously on the burnt area of the utensil. Then pour some vinegar over it. And then start scrubbing it using any dishwashing scrubber. I had to add some more salt and vinegar and scrub it really hard, as you can see here. But eventually it did get all cleaned up. So according to me, this cleaning hack totally works. The next one is a quick hack about removing permanent marker and sketch pen marks from wooden surfaces, which you would have definitely experienced if you have kids at home. So this hack claims that such marks from permanent marker can be removed from tables and other wooden surfaces using nail paint remover. So you have to put some nail paint remover or nail polish remover on a piece of cotton and then rub this cotton over the mark. And now let's see if the mark gets removed or not. And yes, it does. All of it has got transferred on the cotton and the table is squeaky clean. So yes, this hack works. Our next hack is about removing these stubborn mineral deposits which often form on the shower heads in your bathrooms, especially if you have hard water supply in your homes. These deposits not only make your showers look dirty, but they also reduce the water flow. So this hack claims to make your showers completely clean of all these deposits using just one ingredient, which is vinegar. You basically have to take a Ziploc bag and fill about 1/4 of it with this vinegar. I'm putting my Ziploc bag in a cup so that it will be easier to pour vinegar into it. Again, this is our regular white vinegar which is easily available in the market and which we use for cooking. So this is approximately the level to which your bag should be filled with vinegar, and now we will take this bag and put it over the shower so that your shower head gets completely immersed in vinegar. Take a rubber band, put it over the Ziploc bag so that it stays in place like this, and now let your shower head stay dipped in vinegar like this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it's time to remove the bag and to see if the hack worked or not. So as you can see, the mineral deposits have got completely dissolved into the vinegar and are gone. Now we just have to scrub it once and wipe it off with a cloth piece to see the final result. And as you can see, our shower looks much cleaner than before. So this cleaning hack also works. The next hack is about using oil to remove stubborn stickers from crockery which are otherwise very difficult to remove. For this, you have to take oil like olive oil or baby oil or any vegetable oil, put it on a cotton swab and then rub this over the sticker. And according to this hack, when you will rub oil over the sticker like this, then the sticker should come off easily. But in my case, even after persistent rubbing, nothing happened. So according to us, this hack is a fail. Okay, our last hack claims that these spaces between the tiles where dust often gets accumulated can be easily cleaned by making a mixture of vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda and water. So here in a bowl, I'm adding some baking soda, juice of about 1.5 lemons, some vinegar and finally some water. Now using any floor brush, you have to scrub this solution on your intertile spaces, and now we will see if these spaces actually get cleaned or not. And as you can see, the dust is actually coming off really very easily. I'll just wipe it off with a cloth piece to show you the final result. So you can here see the difference before and after cleaning with this solution, and so according to us, this cleaning hack definitely works. So I hope that you found this video useful. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.